So Healthy.io is the first company in the world to get a CE accreditation for using the smartphone camera as a clinical grade diagnostic device. First product is urine testing, second product is wound care, and we're really looking to make it easier for patients to self-manage and take a test in the comfort of their own homes, and to reduce demand on the NHS for patients not having to come in for their treatment. So I think the role of HSNs is really crucial in bridging the gap that there is between NHS practice on the ground, between universities and academic institutions who are driving and supporting the evidence base, and then innovators and companies who are out there trying to access and engage with both of those entities. So a real bridge between those three key constituents, and the fact that they've got this ongoing focus in actually bringing that to bear. It's always important to all those other constituents, but they've got so many other things to do. With the HSNs bring that singular focus to engaging and bringing innovation to drive improvement and quality, which is really important.